Hello friends, welcome to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I will give you the important information to all of you. Stay tuned with me till end of the video. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I will upload the video in my YouTube channel. Are you feeling shy to talk in English in the public? Do you want really to improve your skills without spending money? Here I will give you simple tips. If you follow these tips in the daily basis, you can improve your skills, means your communication skill very fastly. Stay tuned. You can open the Play Store app. Nowadays everyone has one smartphone. You cannot find the guy or girl without smartphone. If you have a smartphone, it's very simple to improve your skills. So now you can go to the Play Store and type Cake app for learning English. This app is very useful to all the beginners who want to learn English. Since I'm using this app, Cake Learn for English, I personally felt that it's really amazing app for all the beginners. I'm using this app. I really tell you that my communication skill also improved after watching some of the videos from this app. I have installed already this app in the mobile. So when you install this app, you can give your email ID for signing purpose. Already I have installed this app. Now I will go to the app to show the demo and what are the informations you can get, how you can improve your skills from this app. Let's get started. When you open this app, you can give your email ID for signing purposes. Already I have given the email ID, so I came to the lesson directly. See here, you can find different categories videos. You can improve your communication skills by practicing at your home. Say for example, I will click one video for an example.
Oh, that was a close one. You got a little someone stuck to your pants. Get it off! Get it off me! Sam! Sam! Wait! Stop! Sam, don't touch it! Put it down! 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 Look at him!
Dear friends, if you watch carefully in this video, you can find two important informations from the video. The conversations have been displayed below the video. If you not understand the conversations, you can read the text below the video. If you want to, you can use your earphone to listen their conversations and understand what they are speaking during the discussions, etc. All the conversations and messages have been displayed below the video, so you can read them and listen them. So by following these simple tips, you can improve your skills. I hope these informations will be very useful to all of you and those who want to learn really to improve your skills. Thank you so much, friends. If you want, you can use this app. Is available in the Play Store. You can install it, and by practicing them, you can learn very quickly without hard work, without effort. It is not possible to learn or improve your skills. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more update about the personal development and communication skills and etc., you can leave your comments in the comment box so I can upload the video related to your doubts which you mentioned in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe to get the more videos. Thank you.